Honda has reignited the passion of sports car enthusiasts with the release of the all-new Honda S2000 2025. As one of Honda's most iconic models, the S2000 has always been known for its high performance, precise handling, and sleek design. Now, with a modernized approach and the latest in automotive technology, the 2025 S2000 promises to deliver an even more dynamic and powerful driving experience. Modern design with classic roots. Visually, the S2000 2025 stays true to its classic roadster identity while embracing futuristic elements. Its aerodynamic body curves and sharp lines give it an aggressive stance, while the larger front grille and slim LED headlights add a modern flair. Inside, the cabin is a blend of comfort and minimalism, featuring premium materials and cutting-edge technology, including a 12-inch infotainment screen and intuitive touch controls. Powerful engine and maximum performance. One of the standout features of the Honda S2000 2025 is its upgraded powertrain. Honda introduces a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, capable of producing 320 horsepower, paired with a smooth and responsive 6-speed manual transmission. This new engine not only offers impressive acceleration, but also delivers better fuel efficiency compared to previous models. For those seeking even more extreme performance, Honda has introduced the S2000 Type R variant, boasting up to 400 horsepower along with exclusive performance features such as a sport-tuned suspension, Brembo brakes, and an optimized rear-wheel drive system. Unmatched handling. The Honda S2000 has always been renowned for its cornering prowess, and the 2025 edition is no exception. With a perfect 50-50 weight distribution and a stiffer chassis, the car delivers sharp, stable handling on various terrains. The improved suspension technology ensures a comfortable ride without sacrificing performance, making it ideal for both daily driving and track day excitement. Advanced technology and safety features. In addition to its impressive performance, the Honda S2000 2025 comes equipped with a range of advanced technologies that enhance both comfort and safety. The Honda Sensing Suite offers a host of driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. Entertainment features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system also elevate the driving experience, ensuring connectivity and enjoyment on every journey. Conclusion: honoring tradition while embracing the future. With its bold design, remarkable performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Honda S2000 2025 not only honors the legacy of this legendary model, but also sets a new standard for modern sports cars. For speed enthusiasts and roadster fans, the Honda S2000 2025 is the perfect combination of power, precision, and style. Once again, Honda proves that they can deliver a sports car that not only meets expectations, but exceeds them.